So finally, and I hope you enjoyed my course. This is my first course in this website, e-learning website. I'm happy to share with you my knowledge. This is the initiation in Python language. I have more to learn more for you to learn. I have uh, how to use Python in developing not internet, not business application. It's with business application we can use it in IoT and education. It's already we are educating it. We can use it in many applications. So as you can see, so here, thank you one more time for assisting my course. I hope you enjoy it and you learn the basics of Python language. So Python is a very rich language to learn, very important language to learn. It's really there is too much companies need Python programmers. I already have my own application with it with Raspberry Pi, so I use it to my final project of education. And I get my license. I create a smart bee house. And thank you one more time for assisting my course. See you next tutorial. Thank you very much.